Hey, this is real estate broker and also real estate coach and consultant Anthony Leggins of Rent Buy Sell Real Estate. And I want to introduce you to my new website, Detroit Property Source, where you can buy a house in Detroit. And it's for home buyers and investors. So you can see here all the different styles of homes in Detroit are available. You can sign up now to receive your free property listings. As you can see here, you can also sign up and get the listing sent directly to your phone if you want. So we make it easy and convenient for you to find and buy a home in Detroit. But also, what a lot of people don't know is that if you sign up today, you can also search and do a search on the MLS like a realtor, okay, and find commercial properties for sale in Detroit. So not only just can you buy a house here on DetroitPropertySource.com, you can also search for commercial real estate for sale in Detroit area. So let's just do a search here. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So you select property type here, status active. If you want to you want to look for business and real estate, you want to search for business or business opportunity, that's available here. If you want to look for apartment buildings for sale, that's here too. So let's just look for general commercial real estate. Okay. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. We also have real estate only and industrial. So every conceivable property type that you can purchase is here for search on Detroit Property Source. Okay, so let's just say minimum of we'll go low. Let's say what's start $1,000, and we'll just look for some cheap buildings. Okay, so let's just say 50,000. So we want to type in Detroit as the city. Okay, and if we want a specific zip code, we can put it here, or a street name, we could put it there. Let's say transaction type sale. And I mean, we just want to see, you know. So we'll apply, and there you have it. So now it pulls up a list of properties. Here's a map over here with the location. So if you're looking for a certain location, you can click on that. Okay. So as you can see here, it also has the buildings for sale listed that you can take a look. So let's say you want to sort them. Okay. So let's say you want to see the lowest price. So we'll sort them by price. Okay. So say you want to have a different view. Okay. So now you can see this property for sale right here on Plymouth Road for 2,500. I mean, so there's some low price buildings for sale. You can find them right here on Detroit Property Source, your number one source for the best properties for sale in Detroit. If you're interested, sign up today. You can view the listings for free. And if you want additional information, say for sale on this property here, you could just click on it. You can scan down, scroll down, and you can find all the information on it. This one is a Detroit Land Bank property. So the Detroit Land Bank offers properties for sale through real estate brokers that are only available on the market as well. So they have properties for sale that they sell on their website, and properties like these that they list with real estate brokers. So you can see, obviously, this building, $2,500 needs a lot of work, but you can find what you're looking for back to results, or you could just click through the buildings and just see all the different buildings that are available. Okay. So it's just real easy to do. It's very easy, convenient. Find a cheap Detroit commercial building. If you're interested in getting a list or signing up for additional information, just click here, sign up with Anthony Leggins, and I'll give you additional information on any property If you want to see it, if you're here in Detroit area, you want to see it, you want to buy it, give me a call. This is Detroit Property Source, where you can not only just buy a house in Detroit, you can also find commercial real estate. This is Anthony Leggins. Contact me, give me a call, give me an email. Talk to you soon.